Hey everybody, I hope you're excited for spring cleaning the bathroom. This is part one. Right now I want to show you some of my favorite things that I use when I'm cleaning the bathroom. We may not use all of these today, but there's some of the tips and tricks that I use when cleaning my bathroom. So first things first, of course, I got to reach up high, I got to get those lights dusted. So my Envirowand is going to save me when I am doing the lights, reaching up high, getting the walls clean, and also cleaning the baseboards in my bathrooms. The mop, of course, got to get those floors clean, right? I love to use my handheld system because I am too short to reach the top of my mirrors. So literally, I have to use this so I have a handle so I can reach the top of my mirrors and get them clean. Also, we'll use this to clean my walls because it is very easy to control. And I'm also going to show you a trick using this to clean your showers and your bathtubs. The basic package, Envirocloth and window cloth, you can't go wrong with these two guys in your bathroom because they are going to make this cleanup so amazingly easy. The bathroom cleaner, of course, love to use the bathroom cleaner. I use that around my toilets. I will sometimes spray it on my sinks depending on how dirty they are. Sometimes right now they're pretty dirty, so we'll probably use this today. The degreaser. Who would think to use the degreaser in their bathrooms? This is a little secret weapon, especially if you've got somebody in your home that does mechanical work or you get that black crud down on the bottom of your shower floors. The heavy duty degreaser is a secret weapon to helping you get that clean, all right? Another great thing that I use when I'm cleaning my bathrooms, of course, is the cleaning paste. I will use this around my sinks, down on the chrome down in the bottom of the sinks. Now, remember, you don't want to put this on natural stone. So if you have got granite countertops or slate or something, you're not going to want to use the cleaning paste because it is going to be abrasive and help break down the tops on that. So be careful when you're using the cleaning paste. But if you don't have that natural stone, more power to you. Cleaning paste is awesome. I love my utility brush and the cream cleanser. I use this in my shower all the time because I do have that grout with those small tiles. So it's really hard to clean. So this is great. Last two things that I use when I'm cleaning my bathroom is the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. Yet another use for the laundry detergent, but does not include the laundry room, and the bathroom scrub mitt. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. So today we are going to focus on getting this area of the bathroom clean. And I'm going to show you how easy it is, okay? And because I am short, I am going to start at the top, always start at the top, and work my way down. Technically, the top in this bathroom is the lights, so I'm going to grab my Envirowand, and I am going to get the lights dusted because we're spring cleaning, so we're going all out, right? Okay, next I'm going to take my handheld system. Now you can also use your Envirocloth and your window cloth to do your mirrors. But like I said, I can't reach the top of mine. So I've got even stand on my tippy toes to use this. So I have got the wet pad. I've just got it a little bit wet. I'm going to clean the mirrors. Now when I put my dry pad on, I like to line up one of the corners so that I can get into the tops of the corners on my mirror. And I also lock this into place so I can just go straight up and down. Next thing we are going to tackle is the sink and the counters. Now the sink and the counters are usually pretty easy, and the Envirocloth can take that on usually all on its own. So let's see where we're at today with the sink and the counters. All right, you can see the buildup and stuff that I've got here. Now when I get around the sink, so you guys can see this here. You can see the chrome. I can use my Envirocloth, stretch down in there, leaving hair. One thing I noticed, when you use your Envirocloth, especially around the bathroom, a lot of times you'll pick up hair and then it's hard to get out of your cloth. You can take your dusting mitt, which is a great tool to take your dusting mitt and wipe it around your countertops to grab all of that loose stuff, the hair, little bits of toilet paper and stuff, the things that you don't want sticking in your cloth. Taking your dusting mitt and then doing that before you start cleaning. So I'm just going to take my utility brush and scrub around here. There we go. Mirror's clean, sink's clean, counter's nice and clean. I think I'll be nice and go clean my hubby's side because I love him. Go get his done. All right, so that is part one, mirrors, lights, counters and sinks. Now, oh, I forgot to show you. You can take your Envirocloth, give your counters a wipe down. This goes so fast and so easy, guys, and you would be amazed at how much difference your bathroom can feel in being clean by just wiping down your cabinets. And it is so quick and easy to do.